So I'm going to show you how to finish assembling this toy crossbow. Once you have printed these two parts and you have the right size rubber band. So this I'll call the striker because it kind of strikes the marble when this is in action, and this I'll just call the main body of the crossbow. So to start, take the rubber band and kind of pinch it at the end so you can thread it through this hole in the striker. So once it's threaded through, then put the end of the striker into these holes. Make sure there's no friction between the striker and the main body of the crossbow. Then loop this rubber band around both poles like this and make sure that they're evenly spread out along the poles and that they won't come flying off and the burrs are holding them in place good. So that's it. It's really easy. So yeah, that's the assembly.